there is a new Joann's in town, and I am so excited to go. So come with me and check out how a grand opening really is like when it comes to yarn. Here we go. Come with me. I wonder if they have the giant yarn wall. Well, let's see if they do and if they have a huge selection on yarn. I can't wait to see it. Oh my gosh, I can see the yarn wall. It's so pretty and it's huge. Look at the amount of yarn that fills this entire wall. It's incredible. Seriously. They even have the class section all the way in the center, and they have these gorgeous aprons hanging on the wall on this side. And look at this color wheel. I absolutely love it. You can learn so much from it. Now let's take a look at all the yarns. A whole section filled with Caron yarn. All right, let's see what else they have. They even have a mini cubicle filled with Joann's Big Twist yarn. And yes, it's filled from both sides with all kinds of different colors. Literally filled to the brim. But there's also this giant wall of mainly lion brand yarn. Now let's take a look a little closer. The first thing I notice is heartland yarn. So much of heartland yarn. Yup, the entire collection of colors. But there's more. There's even red heart yarn and some more lion brand yarn. They even have hometown yarn. And look at this one. I love these colors. I even found Pima cotton yarn. Now let's explore a little bit more because I can't believe how much yarn they have. They even have the respun yarn, which is the recycled yarn from Lion Brand, and the skin tones, or should I say skin tones? It's amazing how much yarn they have, and they have all these different colors. And I still can't get over the fact that they have the giant wall that I've been wanting to see for so long. Let's see what yarn is actually in there. Ooh, Caron 1 pound. I noticed some new yarn. What yarn is this? It's Big Twist yarn, and you have no idea how soft this yarn is. And yes, I brought some home because I just could not resist. But oh my goodness, I just found some yarn that I've never seen before. The first one that I grabbed is sparkle yarn. It is a little fuzzy but super soft and actually a really fun yarn that I'm gonna try to see if I use it for Christmas. But the next one I'm really excited for. That's Candy Cakes. It's a number 4 yarn, very tightly spun. It's almost like a disc, like a heart disc. And then of course the tinsel. You can add it to so many different Christmas projects. And right next to it, you see a huge wall filled with Bundle of Love and Pound of Love. So much Lion Brand yarn, I am completely amazed. This one is fun. Feels like butter. I've made a few projects with that. And then of course we have the ice cream yarn. I love the ice cream roving yarn. There's different types and they really work out really nicely. So let's see what else I can find in this huge new Joann store. Alright, the next one is basic stitch and landscape yarn. And of course, macrame. And let's not forget this huge wall of crochet hooks, notions, needles. And I'm so glad they have a huge wall of mandala yarn. All different types, ombre, regular, anything that you wish for is right here. Kind of tucked away, you can find the kobu yarn. It is a soft yarn and really fun to use. Loop yarn is also present, a huge wall of that. But it looks like we're not done with Lion Brand and Joann's yarns. This is Wool of Ease on, oh my gosh, these colors and Big Twist yarn. So much Big Twist yarn. The entire section behind me is Big Twist yarn. All different types, even multicolored. I mean, look at this one. Oh, these colors. This looks like a sunset. I absolutely love it. And Lazy Days, yep. Velvet Luxe. I like big yarn, of course. And of course, the DIY glow yarn, usually a little bit hidden away. This one is just a little box that I found on the side of a shelf. So yeah, online you have sometimes a hard time finding this, but there it is. It's at Joann's. Just have to look around and find it. I didn't find it until the very end, so I'm glad I did because I got a bunch more. And if there wasn't enough yarn, you will find more in huge baskets throughout the store. Here's some faux fur yarn, wool ease. Wow, yes, that's literally a huge skein of yarn. And of course, more Pound of Love. They have so much Pound of Love in this store. Incredible. Some more Bernat yarn in different types. This one is huge, and of course, this gigantic one. I love it. But now that I looked around, I really got inspired. I need more yarn. Yes, when do I not need more yarn? Why does it say just knit it, by the way? It should also say crochet it. Well, these baskets are amazing. Look, they are so smooth. All right, let's fill them with some yarn. I found this brand new yarn, as I said earlier, Candy Cake. I just need some of that. This is coming with me. I got some green one. I took the white one that has some sparkles in it, and I need the red one too, of course. That one looks like a candy cane. Yay! Let's see. I think I'm gonna take some of the sparkle yarn because that looks really fun. Let's see what I'm gonna use it for. I'm gonna grab a few of those, the white, the red, and of course the green. They also have a gray, but I decided with just those. And I need some of that tinsel yarn. Not sure what I'm going to use it for, but I'm excited. Red and silver, yeah, looks good. Okay, checkout time. Thanks, Joann's. You guys are amazing. I have a filled bag full of yarn. I'm ready to go home. Although my husband rolled his eyes while we were walking out of this brand new, huge Joann store, I am so excited to explore these yarns and test them out. Have you ever been to a grand opening at Joann's? And tell me, did you love these types of videos? Would you like to see more of it? Be sure to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my channel.